Are you eager to kickstart your career in Germany? Imagine getting a job without needing a degree. Germany is searching for warehouse workers, and no fluent German is required. In this video, we'll guide you through the job application process from your home country. Let's boost those job prospects significantly. First, let's outline what you'll learn today. You'll discover warehouse job responsibilities, salary ranges, and job requirements. Warehouse tasks include packing, sorting, and logistics. Salaries typically range from €12 to €16 per hour, a great starting wage. We'll also review education and language skills. Want to find job opportunities? I'll share the best websites. Check Indeed, Amazon Jobs, and Stepstone. Include the keyword Lagerhelfer in your searches to land more results. Now, let's walk through the application process step by step. Start with a well-structured German-style CV. This is crucial. Then, be aware of basic visa requirements for working in Germany. Understand these to avoid issues. Watch out for common mistakes applicants make. Warehouse jobs are a simple entry point, especially for newcomers. Many international applicants find work monthly. A thorough application is key to your success. Stay alert about fraudulent agents and scams that may disrupt your progress. Submit multiple applications daily to increase your chances. Patience and consistency are your best allies. Don't rush through the process. So, what are the top platforms to apply on? Indeed, Germany, Stepstone, and Amazon Jobs are excellent options. If you need help, comment "warehouse" below, and I'll assist you. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone considering a move to Germany. Your support means a lot. Let's recap what we discussed today. We covered job responsibilities, salary ranges, key requirements, and top websites for applications. Your path to working in Germany is clearer now. Take action today. Start applying for those warehouse jobs and make your dream a reality. Warehouse jobs in Germany do not require a degree, making them accessible for many. The responsibilities are straightforward, including meticulous packing, accurate sorting, and assisting in logistics. With an hourly wage between €12 and €16, you can earn a decent income while gaining valuable experience. Plus, you only need basic communication skills in German. As you prepare your CV, showcase your strengths and relevant experiences. Highlight any previous roles in similar jobs to show your capability. Tailor your CV for each application to align with job specifications. Detail matters. Once your CV is ready, familiarize yourself with the visa requirements. Different permits apply based on nationality and job type, so gather necessary documents early. This will save valuable time. Next, let's explore effective strategies for interviews. Practicing can boost your confidence and performance. Research commonly asked questions and prepare concise answers that highlight your skills. Conduct mock interviews with friends or family to refine your delivery and body language. Be prepared with questions for the employer to show your interest. During the interview, dress appropriately and arrive on time. First impressions count. Smile, and greet everyone warmly. After the interview, send a thank you email immediately. This simple gesture helps you stand out. Remember, the job search may feel challenging, but with determination and a well-prepared strategy, you can achieve your dream of working in Germany. Each step you take opens doors to a fulfilling career. Endless possibilities await you.